Hi, I'm George Cahiles of Agenda Weekend. Well, Christmas is not just about fun and joy, but it's also about hope. So this Christmas season, let's hope for better days ahead, not just for ourselves, but for our country as well. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone.
Hello, ako po si Ann Asis Carrillo ng Agenda Weekend. Alam niyo po, napakaraming malungkot at nakaka-disappoint na bagay na nangyayari sa ating gobyerno at sa ating bayan. Pero sana ngayong Kapaskuhan, makahanap pa rin tayo ng reasons to smile, to be thankful, and to celebrate the Christmas season. Wala po sa amin dito sa Billionario News Channel. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!